Hello everyone, this is David from IKOOGLASS. Today is a great honor for me to introduce to you the Green Life products, glass food container with bamboo lid. As we all know, plastic waste is making our environment worse and worse. And today I want to introduce to you that this product is green and environmentally friendly. The glass is made of high borosilicate heat-resistant glass, which can be safely used in microwave, oven, dishwasher, and freezer. It can be a height temperature of 560 to lowest temperature of 40. The thermal shock is 120. The material of the lid is bamboo and wood, which is very environmentally friendly and green. We can paint your logo on the lid, on the glass, or on the packaging box if you need it. And the logo can be different colors. We have a total of 10 sizes and 3 shapes, which can be packaging size and single pieces according to the customer requirements. As a current global trading product, I believe this product will also bring a good start to our corporation. If you are interested in these products and want to get more information, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.